If you're using the Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus and you want to enable a full screen caller ID with custom photos or videos for a specific or all your contacts, here is how to do that. Now, if you want to set it up for a specific contact, open up the phone's app, go to Contacts, search for the specific contact, enter, and then tap on this Edit button. And after that, just tap on this Create Profile Card option at the top. And as you can see, first of all, you can choose any colors if you're not going to go with any photos. Otherwise, you can choose any photos, screenshot, or videos from your gallery. Just go ahead, choose the photo and video that I'm going to set as a caller ID background. Now, there are plenty of customization options available here, which I'm not going to details. The thing is, after customizing it, just go ahead, press done, and then go ahead, press save. That photo will be activated as the caller ID background. If you want to enable a full screen caller ID for all your contacts all at once again, open up your phone's app, and from there, tap on this three dot, choose settings to call background. If you're using dual SIM, just choose the SIM, and then just tap on this background button. You can either choose from the pre-installed featured section. If you want, you can also use the video sound as ringtone. If you want to use your own custom photos or videos, like before, you can choose it from the gallery. If you have selected a video and the duration is more than 15 seconds and large in size, you'll get a prompt to trim it. And whatever you've chosen, a photo or video, when you are done, just don't forget to tap on Set as a Background button. And that's it. That photo or video will act as a full screen caller ID for your S25 Ultra. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.